Hello students. So today we'll see about some topic today. Let's guess this. So what is this actually? It's something. I'm having something with me. Let's say it's a work is very. So I have to transform this into a heap like this. Okay. So what is the difference between this? It's actually which is having more material. This is having more material. So what I have to do, I have to reduce the material. So in common sense is that I have to cut something. Okay, I have to cut it into something like this. Okay, what I can do, we can do machine. Okay, so we can use any machine. You can use a knife and use a knife to cut this. You have to use something called as a tool. Okay, so what I can do is I have to have a tool. I have to have a machine. Am I correct? So there are different types of machine. We can use any machine. So today what we'll see, since the different symmetry is, you can use a machine called as what's this? So it's mentioned here. It's actually a lathe. Typically, it's called as a center. Why it's called as center lathe? Because I can keep the piece like this. Okay. So based on the center, the unit will operate. Okay. So if this object is centered, will start to work. Okay. This is called as a center lathe. So we'll just see about the working of the center lathe first. So in order for the lathe to work, just I will turn it on. In order for the lathe to work, it has to rotate. Yeah. So next to rotate, you know, the machine is rotate. So what I need for this to rotate? Very good. I need a motor. So there is motor there. There is a motor there. From that, there is something like this. What's this? Pulley. This is the pulley. This is a belt. Okay, this is actually a belt. As you can see, you can rotate it. Start to rotate. So once the motor starts to rotate, this will start to rotate. This thing actually what it does is it holds the workpiece. Okay. So here which will rotate workpiece or the tool? Workpiece will rotate and tool will be stationary. To a certain extent, it will be stationary. Okay. So if you take other machine, it may not be the case. For example, take a machine which is there, the workpiece will be stationary, the tool will be rotate. Yeah. In the household, you have to see the television. So where tool will be rotating. But here, workpiece rotating, tool will be stationary. So that's the main thing here. So this entire thing, the setup is actually called as the desktop. Okay. So this is where every movement will be. So as you can see, there are some here arrangements here. So why this here? We have given it. We have have you used A by B? Why here? This is very good. Speak what will do? பயப்படாம தைரியமா பேசுங்க. Increase the okay. So to increase the speed, for example, I'm driving a film. I'm asking you to which gear to use. ஒரு மேட்ல second gear, first gear. Okay, if you're going in the highway, five, four, five. Very good. So it's an excellent answer. So what we can do is this. So this is in the okay. Here also you get here for what? Increase or decrease the speed. So that's the main thing. So I'm having here, I'm having fully. Then I am having a check. So this is actually called as a check. So it will house the work. Okay. So this part is called as what? The extra. Okay. Extra. And here is where I am fixing the tool. Okay. So this part is actually called as a tool book. So it can be moved. Okay. It can move front and back. And similarly, it can forward and backward. So like this, if I move it, so it will move forward, back. Okay. So I can do these operations either front or forward and back. So this part is called as your tool post. Okay. So then you have my tail star. Okay. This is head star. This is tail star. So the purpose of tail star is to check whether it is aligned properly. Whether this is aligned properly. What I can do is so I can move it here till the workpiece and check whether it is the perfect center. So that's the purpose of this part. What we need is part. So we have seen three major parts. Start, do full, frame. So these are the major parts. So where will be fixing the head start. So we get fixed in the this. So Most the RAS is somewhat correct. It can also fix your tool here. Here. So imagine I'm having a workpiece here. The fixer tool is what here. What operation can I if I fix a tool here? Some mold, I can make some mold or something like this. Okay, so for printing, I can actually make here. Okay, when I mix my thing here, I can do the print operation. Okay, so this is the basic outline of lathe. So in the next upcoming lecture videos, what it is, you can see how the lathe works and okay, so I hope you got an idea of the lathe. Thanks.